El Duque, Orlando Hernandez.
Well, he has a lot of pitches, a variety of pitches, and he throws them from a lot of different angles. Has a lot high leg kick. He hides the ball, but it's important for him to be able to get his curveball over the plate.
1-2 pitch. Struck him out.
Beautiful pitch there by Hernandez. Took a lot off of that pitch. Change up, moving down and away from Justice. Justice trying to pull it, trying to hit the hole on the right side.
Here it comes. And a long drive to right. O'Neill back to the wall with just enough room. Down goes Alomar, and Hernandez settles in with a 1-2-3 second. Still 1-0 Yanks. 3-1 pitch, bounce back to the mound. El Duque has it, runs it halfway to the bag before flipping to Martinez, and they're out of the third. Still 1-0 on the O'Neill home run. New York, lots of friends come to see him play. He goes down swinging after his brother Levon did. And down goes Tomey. 2 straight strikeouts to start the fourth.
Well, I mean, that's a possibility, but Joe Torre says he's going to stick with Andy Pettit.
A mile-high pop back of the plate. Posada has it. With some pop in the offseason. Brocious with a nice play. And he throws him out. Struck him out. Huge strikeout for El Duque.
This is not inside, but it's just a good fastball. He drops down and throws a fastball by Ramirez.
Struck him out. During Hernandez's starts, Diaz waited on that one and lined it to left, but Curtis is right there. So Orlando Hernandez works a perfect 7th. He has the Tribe shut out to this point.